Good morning, everybody. Welcome to my channel CPI Print, and you can see we got a dump on S&P 500 from top to bottom, more than 2%. And we predicted this because you can see those who are watching my channel, we predicted this using cycle analysis, and I was telling you cycle is going to top by 8th or 9th of April, which was yesterday, and now we are in this downwards falling phase. Focus on this yellow cycle. We are going down on this yellow cycle, and this phase is ending 25th of April. So I'm expecting some weakness coming through in next week or 2 weeks from here to the end of April. And that's what we got here. You can see how easily it is to predict this cycle analysis and how easy it is to know what's going to happen. And where we are right now, those who are new, there are two charts. Left chart is the day trading chart, which is only for day trading for today's trade. Right chart is for long term, maybe swing trading, depending on what you do. But so I'm going to put side by side, and you can see right now we are in the buy zone. So green lines are the buy zone. Second and third standard deviation, we are falling below that. This is a no-brainer buy. You should be buying call options at the market open. I'm expecting a bounce as soon as market opens. Cash open 9:30 a.m. Eastern. A massive bounce should be coming. And also you can see S&P 500 is down 1.4%, massive gap down. It's opening on a gap down. That gap will be filled maybe later on in May, but it will fill at some point. So if you're a long-term investor, if you can hold, that gap will definitely be filled at one point. So anyhow, so call options is the way to go in the market open. And on the swing trading chart, expecting this weakness, you can see on the right side, expecting this weakness to keep going on until April 25th, and then again we're in this rising phase. Focus on this yellow cycle, again a bounce, and then more weakness coming by the end of May. All right, so that's what we are thinking, and we'll see how it goes. And so far it's all good. So okay, let's go to MES chart on the right side, and you can see this is live, getting a 7 counts buy signal. It can go to 8 and 9 counts as well, but now near support, this 50 EMA, 50 SMA, coming very close to support, and you can see it's in the green line buy zone here, and that's it. So look to buy here. Same thing on Nasdaq. You can see massive dump, 4%, 1.4% dump. And you can see from top to bottom, Nasdaq dump is more than 2.3%. And right now again we are sitting on the nice support zone on the daily chart, and also on a day trading chart we are also in the buy zone. So buy is the answer. Market open, buy, and to take profits. So easy to take profits here. US30, same thing, buy zone, and Russell 2000, which dumped the hardest, again in the buy zone. So look to take profits. If you shorted, you can see how in green zone, red zone it was Russell in the futures, and that's why you should be looking to short, and nice dump. So easy to trade using this chart. By the way, guys, if you want to know about these buy sell zones, subscribe to my channel. There's a link in the description of this video. There's a YouTube icon. Click on it, subscribe, and there's also a link in the description. Discord channel. You can go join my Discord channel. You can join it for free. If you subscribe, just let me know your user ID on YouTube. I'll put you on members only section where I post these zones every few hours, so you can make right decision, and one trade can make you tons of profits. All right. Okay, so keep moving. Tesla, again, it was in the sell zone yesterday. You can see close near sell zone yesterday. Dump. All right, so dumping. And on a day trading chart, you can see white line is 20 moving average. We'll be finding support here, so it might be back testing. If I go to pre-market hours here, you can see here new high. It made a new high compared to this previous high, and now came back testing, holding this support around 200 EMA SMA around 173. It needs to hold it for a nice bounce from here. Okay, so that's our scenario here. All right, let's keep moving. Let's go to Apple. Apple is also going towards buy zone. Looks like it wants to make a new low. That's okay. 167.63 is the buy area here. All right. Gold. All right. Gold dumping after a nice bounce. It was in the sell zone on Tuesday yesterday. Now coming to the buy zone. Gold is in the buy zone. You don't want to be shorting here. You want to be shorting when we were here yesterday, touching the red line here. All right. So gold is also in the buy zone. Silver is a bit farther away, looking to buy about below 27.6. All right. Crude oil bounce after a couple of days of weakness, and you can see it was in the buy zone yesterday. Nice bounce from the buy zone, so you can see this indicators always work. And now looking for, it's in the middle between sell zone and buy zone, so no trade zone. Natural gas, nice bounce above all moving averages, so looking very healthy. Next target 2.18, but short term it's in the sell zone, so looking for some weakness here. Bitcoin dump after bad CPI data in the buy zone, second and third standard deviation, no brainer buy here in my opinion. Ethereum is also in the buy zone here, should be looking to buy. Nice buy zone here coming around. And I was telling everybody, if you watch my channel, I was saying Bitcoin was in the sell zone a couple of days ago with a massive bounce. You can see here, nice bounce here, came below, above third standard deviation. And this is usually, you can watch my other videos. I released a video over the weekend last Sunday where I said anywhere above second and third standard deviation, those two lines are the perfect short opportunity. So you can see from here, 72K indicator predicted it perfectly, and from there we are now all the way to the bottom, almost 7% down. All right, so you can see nice trading zone, but now again we're going towards buy zone, so do not short here, look to only buy here. All right, Hang Seng Index China, massive bounce in the morning, broke out of this downward sloping trend line, the white line. You can see it broke out, now back testing it, so it needs to hold here and then it needs to bounce. So we'll see how it goes. And let's keep moving and look at other commodities. Copper. Let's see, copper going towards buy zone. Palladium, massive bounce yesterday, going towards buy zone. Soybeans is going towards buy zone. Sugar is already in the buy zone. Wheat is in the neutral zone. Corn is also in the neutral zone. All right, so let's look at some of the bigger stocks. Gold miners, GDX. I said yesterday I don't want to be buying here. I don't want to be buying here. I want to be buying in the green zone, coming closer to green zone here now. Below 33.06, look to buy. Google. All right, let's look at Google. Dump from the sell zone. There was a gap which was open yesterday, looking to fill that gap. So it's opening right on the gap fill 156, and probably that's it. That would be the bottom. Netflix in the buy zone. Amazon in the buy zone. All these stocks are in the buy zone after CPI print. Meta is in the buy zone. Microsoft going towards buy zone. Snowflakes is also touching the buy zone. And a gap fill. NVDA must be already in the buy zone. There you go. AVGO also should be in the buy zone. And then AMD and the end should be also in the buy zone. Okay, guys, hopefully this was helpful. Let's look at VIX and wrap this up. VIX bouncing like a king, and you can see there's a gap here around 13, so it's this could be lower high before we crash, or is it going higher to fill this 21 gap? I don't know, we'll see what happens, but cycle is saying we will have some more weakness, so VIX might go a little bit more higher and then dump when we go to the rising phase, which I show you here. Looking for VIX to go higher until next week and then dump, and then we'll be again in this rising phase. You can see from 24th of April to mid of May, looking for that rising phase to happen. All right. Okay, guys, that's it for today. Hopefully you learned a lot today, and please hit the like button on your way out, and please share this with your friends and family. I would really appreciate, and have a good trading day. Bye.